C is for construction, the alphabet of application. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at these tools. So we'll look at how you can use OneNote class notebook in construction, how you can use tools like Geogebra and measure apps on mobile devices, how you can use quizzes or Quizlet or tools like that to engage your learners, and finally we'll have a quick look at Geniely and how you can use this to create interactive lessons. So OneNote class notebooks are great for any subject, and particularly with construction, you can use this to allow your learners to build a portfolio of evidence of the works and examples of things that they've created. Learners are able to capture images directly from the phone, and this can allow them to quickly and easily add content into the OneNote. You're able to distribute content out to them, and if learners have got access to digital linking, then they're able to use this to plan out works in the OneNote. So here's just a couple of examples of the different types of things that you could pop into a OneNote. Obviously most people have got plenty of different worksheets, quiz papers, things like that, and all these things can be transferred into your OneNote. This is an example here of a scale diagram. And you can use the class notebook tools to distribute this page out across a variety of different places, but most simply just to the students in the OneNote book. You click the section where you want that to go and press distribute. It will take a little bit of time to distribute that page out, but as you can see here, I've previously done a page over here to the homework section, and you can see that here. You can also see the area and perimeter page, and that's now ready for the student to complete the work that you've set for them. Geogebra is a free maths tool that you can access online to support learning some of your theory. Activities and interactive calculators are available, and most of these will embed in OneNote and Teams. You're able to set up a classroom and you can add activities to either a class, or you can share the link to them with your students. So here's the Geogebra homepage, and that's accessed via geogebra.org, and you'll see on here there's a whole range of resources for you to explore. Over here you'll see that I can access my profile, and here I've got a class set up that I've shared the link with different students, and it's also embedded in the team, and you're able to actually see the progress there of the student, in particular Stanley. And if we just switch over to here, you'll see Stan at the moment is working through the different activities. He's able to interact with these inside of Teams. There's a whole range of measure apps that you can get on a mobile device, and these allow you to measure objects and spaces in real life using augmented reality or AR. There's a whole range of different apps available on Android and iOS, and you can have a play with these and see how they work for your particular scenario. You're able to measure the length or the height, and some apps will even calculate the area or volume of a particular object. Quizzes is a great little tool that allows you to create question sets and assign them to classes or students. You can search for other educators' question sets as well to save you time, and you can use these synchronously as a live lesson or asynchronously as a homework task. And you're also able to see reports on students' progress once you've assigned these to your students. So here we are on the quizzes homepage, and as you'll see here, the search is straight there for you to use once you get into quizzes. If you go down the side when you're signed in, you can view your library, and this will allow you to view the activities that you've added to your collection. This was not created by me, but if I wanted to make changes, I can copy and edit the collection here. You'll see the options to start a live quiz or assign the task as homework. And if you want to go through, you can actually look at all the different questions and the timings for each of these. If you've assigned activities to your students, you're able to go and see a report there on how well each of the different students are doing in your classes. Quizlet is another tool that you can use for topic revision and keyword recognition. You're able to create your own or find sets to use, and there's different levels to gamify the learning. So here we are on the Quizlet homepage, and you'll see here that you're able to create a study set. You can create folders to organise them with, and you're also able to create a class. You can use the search over here to search for other people's collections, and you can also view your different sets and your folders down here. I've created a class here so you're able to see the activities and your join code for getting students to join your class. But if we pop back into the construction set here, you'll see how Quizlet works. So each of the cards is designed around a keyword and a description, and you can work through and learn these yourselves. The learners are able to actually test themselves, and they can do the gamified modes down at the bottom, which will actually allow them to have a bit of fun while they're learning as well. Geniely is a tool that allows you to create interactive content that you can share with your learners. You can upload an image to a Geniely page and then add interactive points and areas that learners can then interact with. This really allows you to add in much more content than just a simple image or PowerPoint, and you're able to create your own learning experiences using the different pages and navigation between them. So here we are at the Geniely homepage, and this is just on a free account. So here you'll see I've done a construction workshop example, a very straightforward one. And this just loads the image, and you'll see that I've popped a couple of interactive points on here already. You're able to add additional pages onto this so you can create content that will allow your learners to work through and have quite an interactive learning experience. But you're also able to add in a variety of different interactive elements onto your image that you can then customise and change the type of activity that you're going to link to. If we just flick over here, this is what the learner will get to see. So you'll see this particular interactive spot is just a tooltip showing them what something is. And this one here brings up a video so that they can actually engage further with that topic. Over here you'll see the link through to the different page that we've put on Geniely. So hopefully some of those tools were of interest to you, and you'll go and check them out to explore them further. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.